All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Look at this. I got something pretty cool with me. I got the 01 EDC slider. But yeah, this is a special slider. I'm just gonna open it up right over here with you, fellas. Look at that. This guy comes like, classic box. Inside of the box, you're gonna have some extra stuff. But that's what we are looking for. This is one of the coolest sliders ever because of so first of all, I mean, this is a Starry Night from Van Gogh, and it's a fantastic painting. Second, this is in zirconium and stainless steel, so really cool materials indeed. And third of all, it's a fantastic slider. I mean, this guy is like the equivalent of this one. It's the same thing, just this one is brass and zirc plates. This one is not, of course, but it's the same one. It goes in both directions. Both are 100 limited, limited edition to 100 right over here. You see this point, and it's just a gorgeous one because it goes in both directions. It's snappy, it's just clicky, it's so good. So let's check the size of this fella. We get 45 millimeters in length, 25 and 14 in thickness. And let's see how much this guy is gonna be weighing on the pocket before I lose. Oh, look at that, just lost the feet. So it's unstable, sure. Let's zero it and see 84.1 grams, lovely weight. It's so good, guys. I mean, really simple design, minimal looking. It is zirconium polished. The drawing over here is protected by some plexiglass, I don't know, some clear layer, of course. And it feels kind of durable, even if it's plastic. I don't believe it's glass. But anyways, this thing, it doesn't swivel. It just slides. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 states. So it just slides both ways. It just clicks this way. I mean, a little bit like that, but mainly like this. And it's just gorgeous. Just a couple... you get the live T shuffle. You can see the rhythm moth. It's a little bit bigger. Just one woo. Bulletproof shield. Just a couple to give you a size comparison, an idea of how big this guy is gonna be. It's not quiet at all. This is a loud toy, but you can have it to run a little bit quieter if you just apply a little bit more pressure, but this is not going to be a fully quiet one. For example, this guy, all right? So this is gonna be loud, but it has 9 states. It's very clicky, super pleasant to work with, and of course has an artistic aspect because it's the Van Gogh one, Starry Night. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.